So the guy in the Lambo was a good friend of mine. Still, I want to pass him.
This is a Huracan EVO rear-wheel drive.
Oh. Okay, we're back at the track here, guys. We're definitely excited. Got a new little Lambo toy. Some other cars as well. Boys are getting ready to go back out. I just got here, obviously, we're halfway through the day. So we're doubleheader this weekend though. And we got lots of time on track. Dallas is back. We're gonna get him on camera here in a little bit. But yeah, pretty excited. So let's go turn some laps, see where we get. Okay, we're gonna try the Lambo here. So the guy in the Lambo was a good friend of mine. Still, I want to pass him. Woo! Come on, big guy. Let's go. There we go. Woo! Got the Super right behind us. See what that's all about.
Yeah, it's only 2:30. We got time.
Okay, guys, like I said when I was passing the Lambo, get in the shot. Yeah, my good friend Constantine here is the driver and the owner. Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. That was amazing.
It's good to be passed by you. It happens often to me.
No.
So from that perspective, it's a very natural occurrence.
Oh, fair enough. Okay, but you got to tell me about this new car because this is new. You had other Exotica before. What'd you get?
This is a Huracan EVO rear-wheel drive.
Oh.
It's a 2021, so it does have all the performante components, of course, that they transitioned over to this car. And the horsepower rating of the engine is 610 horsepower.
Lovely.
The performante, I think if I'm not mistaken, was 330 or 340, some of them.
Oh my God, that's amazing. We'll take a look at it, but you brought your nephew.
I brought my nephew with me, George. Right?
George?
Nice to meet you.
George, nice to meet you, man. Thank you very much for coming out, guys, and having some fun. Let's go take a look at this car, though. This thing is beautiful. Oh, wow. Okay, what color? What's the color?
So the color is Viola Alithia.
Viola Alithia.
And it is an ad personam color from Lamborghini.
It is stunning. Sorry, we got the drag racers in the back. I mean, this is just unbelievable. I'm on the GoPro, it's not doing it justice. It's not. And especially the way this is composed around the turns, you're placing it perfectly. I was honestly super impressed. So
I do drive fast cars slowly.
Oh, no. You've always brought the heavy duty hardware, so thank you very much for bringing it out and taking a little bit of time just to talk to us. But I'm really impressed. Congratulations.
Well, that's very kind of you. Thank you.
No worries. Look who's here. Look who's here. Say hi. Hi to the folks. The most popular video on the entire site is you. And you haven't been on in 2 years.
I think it's 4 years, but.
Wow, so that last run, I don't know if I'm not going to put this in, but basically, that last run, I totally pooched it. Trying too hard and definitely looped it. So anyways, end of the first day here on the doubleheader, and now you know, we're gonna go probably grab something to eat with the guys and whatnot. But yeah, car needs a bath now, based on the fact that we got a little bit onto the dirt there. So learn, adjust the rear tire pressures and see where that goes. Okay, it's race day. Okay, so time to get loaded up here and get going. It's not race day, it's track day, right? We do track day stuff.
We do track days. High performance driving events.
Yes. How much stuff did you bring?
Car cleaning stuff, and then me.
I just brought my helmet.
Yeah, and the 3 other loads put in the track.
Oh, come on, don't. Okay. All right, let's go to the track. So went out and did our first time attack. Basically tried to give a shot at everything. We got the guys on the drags here going right behind us, but yeah, first session we managed to get like a 132.2, which is off our personal best, but we're gonna keep trying out. So we're gonna go for another run, see if we can't get a little bit more in the way of a better time, just settle everything down, and then we'll go have some fun. We got Dallas walking back here. He's gonna go out. We're gonna do some lead follows, a little dicing, if you will. And we got Eric out there. He's gonna take some video and whatnot. So I think this is gonna be turning out really well. But you know, always keep the camera on, keep it rolling just in case something happens. Fun to chase than it is to lead. Okay, we just got off track. That was awesome. That was one of the best battles we've had in a long time.
It's been years.
I'm glad to see you back. The drag racers, always the drag racers. You're driving like a beast out there, man.
Felt good. Felt good. The car feels solid.
Yeah. It's amazing how it just comes back, right?
Well, it doesn't just work, but yeah.
Wow.
It was good.
Hey, you put effort in to get effort out,
Kind of
right?
a perfect day, right? Just not too hot.
Oh. I'm happy with how that all went, so thanks for playing.
Is this Phillips's?
No, that's Garrett. So, you know,
You'll have to show some footage of turn 1. That was pretty
oh yeah.
sketch.
Well, we're gonna have to throw it on the helmet cam. So I had the helmet cam in. There was so much G-force that actually started moving over sideways, and then like
So much G-force.
there's so much G-force, right? But yeah, definitely a lot of fun. Yeah, check out this Viper. That's a nice looking car. You can't hear it over the dragsters though. That's the only problem. So Oh, that was awesome, man. I'm really glad that you came out this weekend. Yeah, so hopefully get
the car sorted out, running well.
Yeah, yours is also a lot more clean than mine is, which is I gotta deal with that. So, all right, watch some driving now. It's a lot of skid marks, is right. Greg let us come out and take a look at the skid marks from our offs this week. So we had what? Me twice and you once, right? Yeah. I went that way and then over there. And Dallas, you went. Hold on. You went off the rumble strips and across. You can see down there, he went farming. That's a long ways. You can see the hill in the background that you found. It's hard to see, but it's like this ridge right here. Crazy. Okay, and that's it. 2 days back to back in the bag. Some minor maladies, some good battles. Nice to get the old guy back out here. 11 Twin 6. She's doing great. Amazing day, working on a lot of things on setup. I adjusted the rear sway bar, it made a big difference, but yeah, things are just getting better. So, until next time, please, you know what I'm gonna say it, subscribe. Show that like button, a little love. Dallas is gonna probably do a burnout here. And comment, what do you guys think? What do you think of the slow car fast? We like it, but yeah, it's a fairly technical track, and there's a lot of concrete to make mistakes with. Anyways, until next time, as always, stay safe.